Hello Hacktuber and welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I will assemble a crazy looking Gadget DIY kit, and let's start. In this zip bag I have all electronic components that need to be soldered on this awesome and amazing PCB board and a bunch of LEDs. Using this integrated chip KA2284, which is designed for 5-dot LED level matter, I'm gonna make LED illuminated glasses with sound control. Let's assemble. And take a look at this PCB board. Shiny and quality made. And by the way, this video is sponsored by JLC PCB. Visit the JLC PCB service and they offer 5 PCBs 1 to 4 layers for only $2. Only you need to do is upload your Gerber file to Instant Quote, choose base material, how many layers you have your board, color picking, how many pieces you want of the board, and with just few clicks you can order your custom design board and receive it from the fastest service right now. Beside PCB production from JLC PCB, they also have a 3D printing service, and you can get this kind of superb quality of products, and also they have a CNC machining service. To mention, all electronic components that you need for the project can be found on JLC PCB Parts website. They have all the components for building your project. Everything is organized, perfect. Audio components, battery products, capacitor, circuit protection and many more. For more info, visit the link below this video, and remember, JLC PCB is one-stop solution for every electronic dream. I'm almost finished. All electronic components are soldered, the switch, the battery terminals, the microphone, and the last thing is to solder all these LEDs. "25 yellow LEDs on the left side are soldered. Now the right side. Altogether 50 LEDs need to be soldered. Such a satisfaction. Let's proceed. And I am finished. That was the last soldering points. all electronic components soldered on the PCB board. and it's look amazing. Alright, next step. Place on the enclosure and tight with screws. And the last step is inserting two 12-volt batteries. Alright. And powering in 3, 2, 1. And it's working! Look! LED meter. Voice control. When you speak, when the sound or music is detected, you get a level meter from both sides, and looking amazing. Just to turn off the studio lights. Wow! And they are pretty reactive. You can adjust the sensitivity using this potentiometer right here. Awesome! Good looking, crazy looking. And take a look. This is super. And I like it. Left and right. Awesome. I'm gonna try it. But before that, I'm gonna play some music to see the reactive LEDs. When you wear them, you can see through these holes or openings, so you don't worry about that. How they look! It's great! And they are super reactive to my voice, and when they detect a music or sound, they react. Sound reactive sunglasses. No sunglasses, glasses. And they will be great for New Year or for holidays. I like them. And they are DIY kit. Cool. That was all for today's video. Please give a like, share this video, and subscribe to my channel. Party!